Hey, what's going on, guys? Today is gonna be an exciting video. UPS drop off some goodies yesterday. I'm really excited about. I'm gonna show you what it is. I'm gonna unboxing one of them, and then I'll be taking them to get the tires on. And this is what I got. I got my wheels. Let me switch the camera around so I can show you guys. So I got my needles. Excuse me. I got my NT 555Rs. I went with a 305 for the rear. Got my front tires, and so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox one of this to see how they came. I got a really good deal on these wheels. I just couldn't pass on. They were literally 50% off. So for the rear, I got 18 by 10.5, and the front 18 9.5. So well, at least they're really well packaged. Well protected, I guess, if you want to call it that. It's like a plastic. They come on the bag. Alright, let me see if I can take it out of the bag. Okay, I couldn't take the bag one-handed, so I had to stop. Yeah. Man, so far Cosmis did a really good job on packaging these wheels. So now here they are, the Cosmis R5. Ooh. Man, these things are sweet. It has like a double lip, I guess. I don't know how can you call that, but these are the 10.5. Oh, I can't wait to see them on the car. So these are gonna get these bad boys, the needles NT 555R. Overall, I'm really excited to see them on the Trans Am. Probably won't be until like another week, but I just wanted to make a little unboxing video on the Cosmis R5s. Let's see how they look in the daylight and the sun. I really like them because the back is blacked out. I'm gonna put it back inside the box so you can see them from the back. Well, I just got back from Firestone. That's where I got my tires mounted on my wheels, and man, I'll let you see them. These are the 9.5, which are the front ones,
And these are the 10.5 Cosmis R5s. Tires are really dirty, which I'm gonna eventually clean them, and I'm gonna ceramic coat the wheels so it's easier to maintain clean before I put them on the car. So guys, overall I'm really happy with these wheels. I like how they look. Can't wait to see them in the car. And I would say from 1 to 10 to Cosmis, I'll give it a 10, because the wheels were really protective on the boxes and everything. So yeah, I'm really happy.